Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video I'm going to show you how to unmatch on Tinder. Keep bash in the video till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To unmatch someone on Tinder, go tap open a Tinder application first, make sure you're logged into your account. And once you are open to chat by tapping on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. Now open up the chat with the person and at the top right corner, tap on the blue button. And under Safety Toolkit, you'll be able to see two options: tap area, put an unmatch, or tap on unmatch only. If you'd like to unmatch with someone, tapping on match only, but if you'd like to report a match, you can tap on report and unmatch. Once it happened and match, you'll be able to see this kind of a pop-up. Tap on yes, unmatch, no to unmatch the contact. Once you do that, they'll disappear for the match list and you'll disappear from theirs as well. Remember that unmatching is a permanent action. That is how you can unmatch someone on Tinder. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for it, I'll send it back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.